Taiwan's president and top officials are clearing up any speculation about the new Taiwan dollar's biggest appreciation in decades against the U.S. dollar. They say that this has nothing to do with Taipei's tariff talks with Washington.
这次的讨论跟谈判内容从未涉及相关所谓的汇率问题。
The premier also denied that the government or central bank had previously intervened to keep the currency artificially weak, as an undervalued currency is advantageous for Taiwan's export-based economy, and Taiwan is listed among countries the U.S. Treasury Department monitors for their currency policies. This is all happening as negotiations to lower U.S. tariffs are still going on. Earlier, I traveled down to southern Taiwan to speak to industry leaders to see how they're managing the uncertainty as Taipei officials work to seal a deal.
Taiwanese entrepreneurs are putting their heads together to protect their businesses. At a recent forum in southern Taiwan, executives from a range of sectors got together to exchange ideas on how to globalize their businesses, a necessary step, they say, to survive.
I think everybody knows that we are an island type of country, right? So we have only 20 million people on the decline still, so there's no way we can go except going abroad.
At the event, hosted by Taiwanese alumni of the University of Michigan, executives shared their experiences operating in places like Vietnam, Germany, and the United States. Casey Kong helps Taiwanese firms invest in the state of Michigan. He says fears that U.S. production costs will be higher than Asia are valid, but that this does not mean investments won't pay off.
Certainly, there will be winner and loser. Higher costs don't always translate into higher margin, but in this case, I think if you focus on the U.S. market, maybe the new change might create more additional opportunity that's not currently in their business plan.
Alan Cheng also assists Taiwanese investors looking to expand in the U.S. He says entrepreneurs need to fundamentally shift their business approach, emphasizing soft-skill traits like courage and confidence to get a good deal.
可是我们台湾人通常就会点头 yes， 那这不见得好事，因为你现在没有把正确的声音讲出来，没有把你的意见讲出来，其实很多时候讨论是无效的。
As Taiwanese businesses wait to see what Taipei and Washington officials settle on, they're also taking matters into their own hands, determined to find ways to diversify to survive in an evolving economy. Kamashu, Joseph Wu, and Joyce Tseng for TaiwanPlus.